Changing the language in the Microsoft Teams app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams. Launch the Microsoft Teams app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Click on your profile picture or initials located in the top right corner of the app. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Language. In the Settings menu, look for the General tab. Scroll down until you find the Language section. Step 4. Select your preferred language. Click on the drop-down menu under the Language section. Choose your desired language from the list provided. Step 5. Restart Teams. After selecting your preferred language, close the Settings menu. You may need to restart the Microsoft Teams app for the changes to take effect. By following these steps, you can easily change the language in the Microsoft Teams app. Enjoy using Teams in your preferred language.